Welcome back to SST class of 7. Children, in our previous video we had completed the civics chapter number 3, that is the state government, and I have discussed the exercises and question answer of the chapter, and I hope everybody have written it and have understood it very well. So children, today we will be proceeding to our next chapter, that is chapter number 9 of civics, and the name of the chapter is Towards Equality. Okay, what do you mean by the word equality? Equality means samanta. That means everybody is equal. Okay, so in our previous video and in previous classes and chapters also we have studied that there are many reasons for the inequality in our society. Okay, so in today's class we will study about that how we achieved the equality. What were the movement, what were the constitution rights that help us to know that everybody is equal before law. Okay, so the Indian constitution states that all people are equal in the eyes of law and there should be no discrimination on the grounds of religion, caste, sex, class or whether they are rich or poor. So our Indian constitution, हमारे संविधान में भी लिखा है that everybody is equal in the eyes of law and there should be no discrimination. Discrimination means भेदभाव, partiality, कोई भी partiality नहीं होगी on the basis of religion, भले ही वो किसी भी धर्म का हो, on the basis of gender, भले वो किसी भी gender, male या female हो, caste and whether they are rich or poor. So everybody is equal in the eyes of law. Okay, then the Constitution of India bestowed us on political equality immediately after independence. So as soon as we gained independence after 1947, there are some political rights that has been bestowed by our constitution that give us equal status and equal opportunity in the society. Okay, then all adults enjoy the equal right to vote and this power has been used by the people to elect and replace their representatives. So we have studied what is adult franchise, universal adult franchise, that the person who are 18 or above 18 years of age can cast their vote and choose their own representative. वो अपने ही representatives को choose करेंगे, वोट दे सकते हैं एंड बाय वोटिंग थ्रू इलेक्शन प्रोसेस वो अपने उम्मीदवार जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है अपने पसंद के उम्मीदवार को इलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. साथ ही साथ अगर वो वर्क नहीं कर रहा है तो उसको रिप्लेस भी कर सकते हैं. तो हमारे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में हमें ये राइट मिला है कि वी कैन चूज आवर ओन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स. राइट? ओके, देन the main reason of inequality is unequal distribution of resources. So this was about the equality. Okay, but what is the main reason of inequality? अभी भी बहुत सारी inequality असमानताएं हैं हमारे सोसाइटी में. We can see rich, poor, higher caste, lower caste, male and female, है ना. So why this inequality happens? ऐसा क्यों होता है? This inequality happens because of the unequal distribution of resources. Means जो भी resources हैं उनका equal distribution नहीं है, unequal distribution. Means somebody is having very high resources, they are very rich. Somebody is having very low resources, they are very poor, and somebody is having nothing. So because of this, because of the unequal distribution of resources, people are rich and poor. Okay, and millions of people in our country continue to strive to fulfilling their basic necessities, that is fooding, clothing and shelter. और यही कारण है कि हमारे इंडिया में millions of people, जो करोड़ों लोग हैं, वो basic amenities जो होती हैं, basic necessities जो जरूरत है, 3 चीजें हैं, food, clothing and shelter, जिसे हम हिंदी में रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान कहते हैं, वो नहीं अवेल कर पाते, उन्हें प्रॉपर वो फैसिलिटीज नहीं मिल पाती है बिकॉज ऑफ द अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. ओके, रिलीजियस एंड कास्ट बेस्ड डिफरेंशिएशन इज अनदर वाइटल कॉज फॉर द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ ग्रॉस इनइक्वालिटीज इन आवर सोसाइटी. और अगर हम देखेंगे तो ये तो हो गई मेन कॉज, हो गया सबसे पहला मेन कॉज हुआ अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज। अब आते हैं सेकंड पे, रिलीजियस बेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन या कास्ट बेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन। धर्म और जाति के बेसिस पे जो भेदभाव होता है वो भी मेन रीजन है हमारे इंडिया में इनइक्वालिटी का। जैसे हायर कास्ट पीपल लाइक ब्राह्मण्स, दे डोंट लाइक टू टॉक और टच टू लोअर कास्ट पीपल लाइक शेड्यूल कास्ट, हरिजन जैसे हम कहते हैं। सो देयर इज अ गैप बिटवीन द कास्ट, ठीक है। सो रिलीजन बेसिस जैसे हिंदूज, मुस्लिम्स वर्सेस सिख्स एंड क्रिश्चियंस एटसेट्रा। सो there is a lot of inequality based on the religion and based on the caste. Okay, then gender disparity also causes inequality in society, and gender yani ki ling, whether a person is male or female, is also a main cause of the इनइक्वालिटी इन आवर सोसाइटी। ये भी एक मेन कॉज है इनइक्वालिटी हमारी सोसाइटी में, कि जो मेल्स होते हैं उन्हें ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस दिया जाता है एज कंपेयर टू फीमेल्स, उन्हें ज्यादा वेजेस मिलते हैं। मीन्स विमेन को हमेशा बैकवर्ड समझा जाता है एज कंपेयर टू मेन। ओके, women on an average get less salary than what men get. They are still deprived of quality education and life in many parts of our country. And if we see in the many parts of our country, as we will go in the villages where people are not educated, we can find that still girls are deprived of education. उन्हें proper education नहीं दिया जाता है. They are not given all the benefits what boys are enjoying. So in our constitution, certain rules and regulations are there for women and girls, and some provisions are there so that they can come forward. Okay, so what are the main reasons for the inequality in our society? The first one is the unequal distribution of resources. The second one is gender or religion based inequality, and the third one is the caste based inequality. So that's all for today. So today's homework for you is you have to write these question answers in your homework copy in a very neat and clean handwriting. And apart from that, you have to learn the key terms of the chapter. Okay? So first question is, what does the constitution say with regard to equality? Okay? Then question number 2, write the full form of ST, SC and OBC. Then third, what is the main reason for the inequality in our society? Question number 4, name the types of inequality in our society. And question number 5 is define the term underprivileged. Okay, so do it in your homework copy and learn it, and just go through the chapter, read all the important points, and be ready for the next topic what I am going to discuss in the upcoming video. So that's all for today. Thank you, class.